I have called this meeting to discuss with you the measures that we are taking for disinfection protocols of branches to keep the staff, customers and vendors safe and secure in this world of pandemic. Every corner and frequently touched surfaces जैसे कि door handles, furniture, cash counters, tokens, drop boxes, collection counters, lockers, waiting area वगैरह have to be sanitized well with disinfectants. Sure sir, we use Virosil Office Cleanse to disinfect all our branches. It is the best in the market to kill all sorts of viruses, germs and bacteria from surfaces instantly. Also, ये है completely eco-friendly, non-toxic and non-alcoholic, जिससे इसका effect हमारे branches को disinfect करने में सही रहेगा. Its fast killing action eliminates 99.9% viruses, germs and bacteria in just 60 seconds. And its long-lasting Swiss formula lasts for 24 hours. We can use the hand sanitizer for our staff and customers, the floor cleaner on the floors, the aerial disinfectant spray in the waiting area and the cabins, the fumigant in the AC duct, and the surface disinfectant spray on the tables, chairs and other frequently touched surfaces. How will you use a single product for all these different applications? Virosil gives us a 5-in-1 action with a 360-degree solution with 5 applications from just one pack. Each Virosil solution bottle comes with an applicator kit, which contains a surface disinfectant spray for surfaces, an aerial disinfectant spray for air, a hand sanitizer bottle for hands. We use our own mop and bucket for floor cleaning and fogger for fumigation. We dilute it in different proportions according to the label instructions to use it for hand sanitization, surface disinfection, aerial disinfection, floor disinfection and fumigation of the environment. So it saves time and money by being a single point of action. Virosil also gives a reusable applicator kit along with the Virosil Office Cleanse pack. So with every new pack we will have enough applicators for each of our rooms. Virosil Office Cleanse is formulated to disinfect office spaces such as workstations, reception areas, conference rooms, canteens and washrooms. I will ensure this is taken care of and ensure the safety of our staff, our customers and vendors. That's great! With Virosil, our employees, customers and vendors will be healthier and happier. Make sure you're always vigilant about it. Virosil का साथ, Virosil का भरोसा, कल, आज और हमेशा. Virosil Office Cleanse is available in 1 liter and 5 liter value packs, each with an included Virosil applicator kit. Virus karo kill only with Virosil. For more details, visit virosil.com.